Ever wondered what it feels like to travel like royalty? Today, we're taking you inside the world's most expensive private jet, Saudi Prince Al Walid bin Talal's $500 million flying palace. This isn't just a plane. It's a floating mansion that redefines luxury travel. From magic carpets to onboard spas, this jet has it all. Let's dive into the world of unimaginable wealth and luxury. With custom-made interiors, cutting-edge technology, and jaw-dropping amenities, this aircraft is unlike anything you've ever seen. It's not just about flying, it's about experiencing a level of grandeur reserved for the ultra-rich. Get ready to witness what $500 million can buy in the world of private aviation. 1. Introduction to the owner and jet. Prince Al Walid bin Talal, one of the wealthiest individuals on the planet with a net worth exceeding $20 billion, is known for his extravagant lifestyle. But nothing showcases his wealth more than his private jet, the most expensive in the world, valued at a staggering $500 million. A business magnate, investor, and philanthropist, the Saudi prince spares no expense when it comes to luxury. His investments range from real estate to global media, but his flying palace is his most opulent possession. The Airbus A380, originally a commercial airliner, was transformed into a masterpiece of engineering and wealth. Every inch of this aircraft screams exclusivity, from its golden interiors to its ultra-private amenities. 2. A flying palace. Originally designed to carry 800 passengers, this Airbus A380 was transformed into a flying palace. It's not just a plane, it's a statement of wealth and power. The modifications alone cost over $350 million, taking the price tag to $500 million. The jet boasts a two-story layout with grand staircases, a feature rarely seen in private aviation. The cabin is adorned with gold accents, crystal chandeliers, and the finest materials, ensuring that every corner reflects sheer extravagance. Unlike commercial flights, where space is a luxury, this aircraft offers vast open areas, giving it the feel of a palace in the sky. And thanks to cutting-edge engineering, the jet provides an ultra-smooth, noise-free flying experience. Every inch of this aircraft has been customized to perfection, from hand-woven silk carpets to leather seats stitched by the world's finest artisans. The walls are lined with gold-trimmed artwork, and even the bathroom fixtures are made of solid gold. 3. Luxury amenities that blow your mind. Step inside and prepare to be amazed. This jet features a 10-seater dining room for royal feasts mid-flight. Want to relax? There's a fully equipped spa and even a Turkish bath, lined with marble for the ultimate pampering experience. For those who enjoy entertainment, there's a private cinema featuring a massive screen, surround sound, and plush reclining seats. The dining experience on board is nothing short of a 5-star restaurant, with personal chefs preparing gourmet meals from fresh ingredients. And for ultimate relaxation, the spa includes a heated massage table and aromatherapy treatments designed to melt away any stress. But wait, it gets even more extravagant. There's a concert hall where top performers entertain on the go. And if you love breathtaking views, the floor doubles as a giant screen showing the scenery below, enhanced with a scented breeze for an immersive flying experience. Every detail has been designed for absolute indulgence, making this jet a true palace in the sky. Even the lighting system mimics natural sunlight to ensure passengers feel refreshed no matter the time zone. 4. The magic carpet experience. But wait, it gets even more extravagant. There's a concert hall where top performers entertain on the go. And if you love breathtaking views, the floor doubles as a giant screen showing the scenery below, enhanced with a scented breeze for an immersive flying experience. Nicknamed the Magic Carpet feature, this unique design makes passengers feel as if they are floating above the world. The advanced visual system projects a live feed from outside cameras, allowing travelers to see clouds beneath them as they soar through the sky. Custom LED lighting and soft music enhance the ambience, creating an unparalleled sensory journey that can be adjusted to match different moods and destinations. 5. Unmatched luxury and exclusivity. This jet is all about comfort and exclusivity. It features private suites with king-size beds, entertainment systems, and en-suite bathrooms. There's even a prayer room with computerized rugs that rotate to always face mecha technology at its most opulent. Each suite is designed with handcrafted furniture, silk bedding, and soundproof walls for absolute privacy. The personal attendants on board cater to every need, from serving customized meals to ensuring a seamless flying experience. The entertainment systems offer thousands of movies, music playlists, and even gaming setups, turning long-haul flights into luxurious retreats. And for those needing to conduct business in style, there's a fully equipped conference room with satellite communication for global connectivity. 6. A personal garage in the sky. And if you thought that was all, think again. The Prince's Bentley flies with him thanks to an onboard garage. Talk about taking luxury wherever you go. The cargo hold has been customized to accommodate his personal vehicle, ensuring that whenever he lands, he can step right into his luxurious ride. But it doesn't stop there. The garage also features a built-in maintenance station to keep the car in pristine condition. Additionally, the jet includes storage for other high-end vehicles, allowing for multiple options upon arrival at his destination. 7. A royal meeting room and office. For business meetings at 40,000 feet, this jet has an executive boardroom with high-tech connectivity, featuring a sleek, minimalist design with gold-trimmed desks and leather seats. It's the ultimate space for billion-dollar deals. The boardroom includes a holographic projection system, allowing for virtual meetings with executives worldwide. It's equipped with advanced noise-canceling technology, making conversations clear and undisturbed by engine sounds. Even in the air, business never stops. This office is connected to secure satellite networks, ensuring encrypted communication for the highest level of privacy. 8. The ultimate status symbol. Prince Al Walid's $500 million jet isn't just about convenience, it's a status symbol, showcasing his place among the global elite. While other billionaires own impressive jets, none compare to this flying fortress of wealth and power. Every detail of this aircraft has been tailored to meet the highest standards of luxury, making it a true reflection of his billionaire lifestyle. The world's wealthiest individuals have their own private jets, but nothing comes close to the level of customization and grandeur found here. It's not just about flying, it's about making a statement that the sky is truly his domain. This private jet is the ultimate definition of extravagance. From a magic carpet floor to a concert hall, it's clear that when you're one of the wealthiest people on Earth, the sky isn't the limit, it's just the beginning. Luxury like this is beyond imagination, but for billionaires, it's just another way to travel. From gold-plated interiors to a floating magic carpet experience, this $500 million jet is the pinnacle of opulence. If you enjoyed this deep dive into extreme wealth, make sure to like this video and subscribe for more jaw-dropping content. What's the most insane feature of this jet in your opinion? Comment below and let us know. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.